Alright guys, have you been looking for a way to buy from Nedded and to translate, not buy, to translate Chinese to English, and it's difficult. There was a time I searched for this, but they would say you go to Google Translate, screenshot, and screenshotting is not even easy. So guess what? Geneseo, got you covered. I've searched and researched, and I've gotten a beautiful way on how to translate 1688 on your app. You don't need to screenshot, you don't need that big, and guess what guys, it's free. It's not a paid one. They have paid, but I'm using free version and it's working perfectly well. Let's quickly go there. If you've not liked this channel, do well to like this channel. All right, the first thing you do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store. That's my Play Store here. So you search for High Dictionary. High Dictionary. That is it. You search. Good. You see, my own is telling me open. My own is saying open because I have it already. But if you don't have it, you'll see install. Stop that, I'm talking. You'll see install. So you quickly click on install and you install. And you'll install and open. Click on install, then you install and do what? So as you can see, my own will be showing open. Why? Because I have it already. So you open. So that is how. Then the next thing, you go to your 1688 app or Pinduoduo or your any Chinese platform, so I'll be able to translate it. All right. So let's say we are here. This is the home page. This is 1688 home page. All right. So let's say we want to get this hair fryer. Let's say I want to get this hair. Oh, this is a mini smartphone. Beautiful. Let's say I want to get this hair fryer. You click on it. Remember, we are trying to translate the app without screenshotting, without anything. Now, let's look at the description of this hair fryer. All right, so now you can see, and make sure before you use this high dictionary, you must make sure it's going to open on the interface. Go to your settings, make sure it's showing over it's showing over the apps for you to start working, and make sure you change it Chinese to English. All right, so you look at my high dictionary, very just like a pencil. See, it's telling that you can buy from one. Now look at the description. Wow, change to English. The cross-border visual smart type air fry pot is large enough to multifunction, or everything is well detailed here. All right, stop that, I'm busy. Sales generation, so it's showing every single thing here. All right, so it helps you know what. Now let's go to the products. You can see this is the products description, product details. You see, it's everything. This is 10 liter. You can see it's so fine. It's a touch screen. You see, to help you know what you are actually getting. It will help you know what you're actually getting. See that? So it's simple and beautiful. So try High Dictionary today and thank me later. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to do so. See you guys in my next video.